Dear students, in trigonometry branch, trigonometric ratio chapter, trigonometric functions chapter, various concepts involved. In detail, I cover each and every concept with good example. Now I am going to discuss theoretically concepts or model or sub-concept linked one by one. Number one, trigonometric simplification. Number two, elimination includes special elimination. Elimination not only in trigonometry by using identities, in general elimination of one parameter, elimination of two parameters, even in locus problems. In many situations, elimination word useful in forming arbitrary constants in differential equation. Many more examples in elimination. Next, problems based on limits of TRs. TR means trigonometric ratios. Indirectly based on boundary conditions, minimum maximum values extracted from the graph. Next, by knowing basics in trigonometric ratio chapter, ascending, descending order from graph or by analytical angles under consideration, we can get ascending, descending. Suppose sin 1 degree less than or sin 1 radian, cos 2 degree less than cos 2 radian, like that. Comparison indirectly, which is small or which is greater. Indirectly name called ascending descending order. Picking minima maximum means minimum value maximum value from graphical observation or from AMGM conditions. Balancing LHS RHS, whatever it may be the procedure. The minimum maximum extracted from graph. Next, the special angle introduction means supplementary angle, complementary angle, coterminal. Special angle classification. Number 7. The special angle may be complementary or supplementary or coterminal. Next, based on boundary conditions. Boundary conditions means by taking at most maximum cases left and right and checking whether the LHS or RHS equal or not. Next, standard angle problems. Standard angle, it will be in degrees or it will be in radian. Standard angles, problems based on standard angle. That angle may be 0, 90, 30, 60, 180, 270, 360. Problems includes quadrantal angles also here in standard angle calculation. Next, one important point I am going to discuss with good examples. Application of geometry. Application of geometry. Application of geometry in trigonometry. Particularly by knowing the basics in trigonometric ratios, we can get the application, we can get in geometry many more uses in by make use of basic trigonometric ratios. The basic trigonometric ratios helpful in future mathematics, not only in trigonometry branch, in functions it is algebra unit function link, every majority of the graph, or if you call whatever maybe suppose log x, it is logarithmic function. Mod x is a absolute function. If you take sin inverse, it is inverse sine function. In majority of functions, majority of questions linked with functions, even with the graph or even with many more conditions and many more features can be calculated with this basic trigonometric ratio. My dear students, don't neglect the basic knowledge of trigonometric ratio chapter, because in many more links it will be helpful, right? Application of geometry. Next, identities problems. Identities problems means the the basic identity, sin square plus cos square 1, sec square minus tan square 1, cosec square minus cot square equal to 1. Majority in elimination operation or converting one trigonometric ratio into the other, in various situations, in inequalities. Okay, in many more situations, the identities are helpful. Problems based on identities. Okay. 11. For convenience only, I am giving numbers. Number is not the criteria. In detail information through example, it is clear, my dear students. Please go through each and every example already covered in trigonometric ratios. Example as a one unit, trigonometric ratio example. 11. Input methods. What is the meaning of input? Means in few questions balancing left and right, I put a value x45. A defined angle only I am putting input method. Important method name indirectly, trial and error method or elimination method. You call the name is any name, but input method is more important. Indirectly like subway surfer short method by giving the defined values both sides and getting unknown values and problems based on coefficients. In majority situation this input method helpful. Next one important, sign convention of various trigonometric ratios. Sign convention of various trigonometric ratios. Sign convention of various trigonometric ratios. Indirectly, according to a thumb rule already followed, I introduced already in a trigonometric introduction class, all silver teacups. In first quadrant all are positive, second quadrant sin cosec, third quadrant tan cot, fourth quadrant cosec. Based on that, many more questions linked. Majority problems link with the sign convention only based on the special thumb rule already it is given, like all silver teacups or all Sachin Tendulkar centuries. Now I am going to give allied angle applications. Applications of allied angles. Even in physics, the application of the forces resolved in horizontal, vertical components. By using trigonometric basics only, even in vector approach also trigonometric basics are helpful. That's why more focus on trigonometric ratio, trigonometric function chapter in detail. Allied angle means 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta. Already I discussed allied angle in detail and a proof also given. But for odd multiples of 90 there is a change. Changes takes place from sin to cos, cos to sin, tan to cot, cot to tan, sec to cosec, cosec to secant. So allied angle applications more helpful not only in mathematics branch, it helpful in physics, in many more situations, in resolving component, in statistics field, right? Okay, in engineering mechanics, the basic knowledge of component, sin, cos, horizontal, vertical, helpful. Okay, don't think allied angle is the simple only for making the formula like in lower classes, sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, sin 270 minus theta. Many more conditions helpful in allied angle. Next, important, I am going to discuss from graphs. If we extract two technical words, domain and range, already explained in graph, extracting technical word, extracting important word, extracting important keywords in mathematics, particularly not only in one branch of trigonometry, in all branches the word, keyword, concentrate, domain and range. What is the meaning of domain? What is the meaning of range? In detail, there is explanation completed. Once again, I am giving domain. Domain of a function is a simple input, meaningful values or defined values or boundaries of x-axis. In some special situations, defined means we are talking about real function. Real function means if maps A to B as A and B both are subsets of real number, it is called real function. Real variable and real valued both are mixing and then finally called real function. For real functions only we are talking about domain or whatever it may be the range, because complex function in future you can learn in higher studies. But here now I am extracting domain of the keyword domain of trigonometric function, the range of trigonometric function in detail from graph or by analytical definition. Range, there is no specific method to pick up the range. Range plays important role in all branches. Minimum maximum value of expression from inverse method, range calculation, by perfect square method and by calculus working rule method. given function as y divided by x equate to 0 and get critical points or stationary, checking second order derivative. Negative means second order it possesses maximum, positive means second order derivative at some x point it will be minimum, neither maximum nor minimum. The maximum minimum calculation plays very important role, and also for quadratic expression range. By the formula for quadratic expression x square plus bx plus c, 4ac minus b square by 4a, many more connections with the range. In detail, there is a technique. And popular formula am greater than gm greater than or equal to hm. Even in trigonometric inequalities, even quadratic inequalities, standard results many derived in triangle also, am greater than gm greater than hm. Am means arithmetic mean, gm means geometric mean, hm means harmonic mean. So based on that popular formula, many more questions solved. Next, frequently used results. What is the meaning of that? Frequently used results. Frequently used results means, my dear students, suppose for example, sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta as 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta as 1 minus 3 sin square cos square theta. Many more, like sin square plus cos power 4 as cos square plus sin power 4. Many more conclusions, name it is called as standard identities, like descriptive questions, subjective questions. In subjective questions we are using. Suppose n multiple submultiple, majority of questions link with a frequent used result cos square theta, because cos square theta is 1 plus cos theta by 2 and cos a by 2 has plus or minus root of 1 plus cos a by 2. So frequently used result, that is the name called, or simple standard equations also we are using. Next one, logic problems. Here there is no particular situation. Logic means it depends on that. Suppose in finding a problem, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree and cos 3 degree, a product, continued product up to cos 180 required. Suppose cos 1 degree multiplied by cos 2 degree multiplied by cos 3 degree, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, cos 3 degree under product up to cos 180. The students, how to find the simplify this product value of cosine means the students are thinking how to get the cos 1, cos 2, cos 3, extracting procedures not required. A simple logic in the middle, cos 90 degrees is there in product, cos 90 value is vanished 0, so 0 multiplied by the remaining values product is 0. So that type of logic is required. Or log cos x base sine plus log sine cos x equal to, suppose, 2, then pick up x in radian. Means simply by giving logic x45, a method input indirectly. Logic may be logic from subject only, it will be extracted. It is not a tool, it is not a formula like mathematical induction. So my dear students, here I put x45 by using log property, log a base a, characteristic base and characteristic both equal, it will be 1, so x45 degrees. Like that the logic applications. Okay, in 17th, a simple word given, logic, it with practice you can get. Next, standard series. Standard series means sin theta plus sin 90 plus theta plus sin 2 pi plus theta and so on, sin n pi plus theta. If n is odd, one answer and one result, n is even, like that. And cos series also. So my dear students, in standard series means there is a concept in detail in next chapter, like sine series and cosine series. If angles forms AP, a separate formula, sin alpha plus beta plus sin alpha plus 2 beta and so on, sin of alpha plus n minus 1 into beta. There is a series sin n beta by 2 into sin of alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta by sin beta by 2. For cosine series the formula is different and the method of difference, many more calculations in series, C plus AS method in sequence series, in inverse trigonometric inverse series, a constructed series, very important role plays with the trigonometric basic only. Next I am giving graphical solutions, graphical methods for finding number of solutions. For example, x equal to cos x, number of solutions of this. If students thinking that the equation means it is not directly quadratic, it is not trigonometric, it is not differential equation, it is simply miscellaneous equation linked with x and cos x. Number of solutions of x equal to cos x means left hand side is one curve, right hand side is one curve. With the simple knowledge of graph, cos x graph, cos 0 1, it will be like this, cos x graph. and right hand side curve. Left hand side curve y equal to x, it is a straight line like this. So number of intersections 1. Means number of solutions is equal to number of point of intersection of two curves, one in left hand side and one in right hand side. Like that, not only algebraic and trigonometric, it will be step function, you can say inverse trigonometric, hyperbolic with exponential, depends on situation. Even in equations, helpful in solving a number of roots or number of solutions. Important method, my dear students, graphical method. Number 20. Representation of a point. Representation of a point means indirectly locus problem. Suppose representation of a point with example sec theta cosec theta. Suppose representation of a point as representation. How to represent a point with indirect elimination. Now I think here elimination means if I assume P as a point as xy, as in coordinate plane, P as xy, x ordinate, x abscissa, y ordinate, x is secant theta, y equal to cosec theta. Okay, now what is x? 1 by cos. What is cos theta? From this 1 by x. Sin theta is 1 by y. Square and add, what happens? Cos square plus sin square. If you square and add, what happens? I am asking. Squaring and adding. Cos square plus sin square. Okay, cos theta is that, sin theta. By squaring and adding, cos square plus sin square equal to 1 by x square plus 1 by y square. If you take LCM, x square y square, after this LCM, so elimination indirectly x square y square. The location of a point with a curve or equation, it linked with a relation between variables and variables, no constant, here only x and y variables connected with a locus point. Indirectly representation of a point by knowing identity even in geometry. So my dear students, in trigonometric ratio example, I covered many more situations. So please go through each and every problem individually, each and every problem